The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pocket.
Yeah, Arden. Still asleep. Doyen. Yeah, so there and I see you. I link up Arden, but I come like Arden still asleep. Yeah. It's a good life there. Good life. Arden like you can sleep. Cool, yeah. Man can't see you. You can't see it.
Where about there?
Say manage with the Arden. Where the bag there? Say walk with a stick.
No, man. I don't want to stick now. I'm not ready for stick yet. Not ready for stick yet, you know. I'm ready for stick.
Yeah.
The coffee. I'm not ready for stick yet. You see where I'm there for?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's the one, man. You have to just skill.
What, him can't see for you? Hey.
You have to just skill, you know.
You have to skill.
You have to skill. I just instinct.
Tell me something. Tell me your name. What's your name?
Right name?
Yeah. Just give me any name, right name, not wrong name.
Well, I have so much name, you know. What for name?
Give me your right name.
Right name, I Lloyd Williams.
Lloyd Williams.
Yeah. The name I Wayne, Wani, Tipper, Coley. What for name? Willie Nilly, what for name?
Yeah.
Name like, you have to have different. Look at different place and different names. You understand me?
Yeah. Because you see that program where I do it named Jamaica Good Life, where it highlight things like this,
yeah,
like lifestyle, ambitious. And for you know where them tell me say you can't see.
Yeah, man.
Them tell me say you're blind.
Along, me just around the road, me just the man me there I wait for him right now. You say me must move.
Yeah.
Man, some forgive me right now, but me move, me skill.
Yeah.
The man say more Coley. Tomorrow me I leave and me want make you have something in your hand. Me so forward.
Yeah, for real.
But you see here what I'm now, my friend. If you don't know me, you know I'm gonna see it.
Yeah.
Because I don't act like somebody where. You see me?
Yeah, true. Because I always come here, I never know say I'm blind. Because I always see him sit down and chill. Because see that program here, it can help you, because I tell you the truth, Because it seems like say, it can help you because you walk without a stick and him can't see. You see me? And that program named Jamaica Good Life, people them, the members them after the program, like them literally will help him. Like as I don't can't believe say him a move. No, I never know say him could say.
Long time, man. 18 years, I tell you, man. 18 years now, I'm blind.
18 years now you're blind?
Yeah, man. A part, I'm depend right now. I go for a part and thing. And you don't know, my family, I just tell a person on the bar and say, because I have my family, my brother, them around me, so friends and everybody. It does look like a normal thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Because if my friend and I tell you who they and I tell you, you're not going to know.
Yeah, true.
So that motivation and gritty and them youth they from all over there, so that motivation when you come on the pan Coley, where
yeah.
That give me that strength now.
Yes.
Push that.
Yes, because boy, the strength where you give me for move on in my life right now and stay positive, because where you are right now you can't see. So imagine if him could have seen.
My friend, if you alright, if you come see me a weed up there, just a weed up them out there, so just like why, you that's it. Because a woman a pass, when a woman like a cold, they better make you come weed up my place for me. Come here, give a man the money and he not do it good.
Yeah.
Those are the quiet, see me there. When my brother come call me, I sit down and hold a 5,
Yeah.
Me not a man say, cold, put, you don't want a ganja, me I say.
Yeah.
No, I don't want no ganja yet.
Yeah. Why, me not like cold, you really move me.
No man, I know you alone, man.
You really
At the whole place, man. I want my daughter put me up on her wedding day and gone overseas. A man said, look, I can't want that.
Yeah.
Look, sir. Look at me. And America and then I said,
John, no, I'm not lying.
what do you want me to know in a life now? You see?
Father God, yo, God is good, you know.
In a life.
Eh? 33 for Olympic, what is it?
I want a 95 in the
Yeah, give him the match already.
Yeah, how much him forget?
750.
Yeah, no, Cody.
No, you will go and come on, but one of day them when you don't know. Anyway you see me.
Yeah.
Anyway you see me.
Let's say in general.
Yeah man, manners and thanks.
Cody.
Manners and
Female people, the man blind, I never even know say him blind. I come and buy a coal. I him do everything. He make him skill, him do him coal. Him still a hustle. Still see him here.
That's cool man.
Then.
Come see me out do my yard. Me just a weed up stuff and you want to come see it. Me a beat you, me know say a weed up man blind and weed up yard.
Yeah.
Take up all them. See cool man.
See coal. See the coal.
Yeah man.
That's a Jamaica
big
good.
up Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Big up Cole, yeah. Blind and still a dim thing, yeah.
Sure.
Big him up straight.
If I big him up straight.
Yeah man.
If you say my general,
What's going on, man? Yeah.
big up
Big up
yourself.
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah.
That's what I say.
The young Cole related to?
No, you know, so I'm a virgin. I'm a good
virgin.
long while.
Yeah.
It's a long time I know him and thing and I'm kind of glad him a doing thing.
You want me to know my daughter?
You see me?
Yeah. John, I mean, never believe him blind, you know. You see
Yeah,
me?
for real, him blind for
And you
true.
watch him still go through him struggle, still a try. But when him blind. You see me? Like, yeah, man, really move. And man move a lot of people when them watch this. And see. Yeah. See there? This is him cool. The man do him thing. Cool, eh?
Yeah. Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Good life.
Good life.
Just stay with the program.
Yeah.
Bless yourself.
Bless
Listen to me,
yourself,
King.
yeah.
Man. Manners and thanks.
Yeah, big up.
For the support.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah, man. Respect for the support.
Mark, my general. Up move. I do some washing.
See it. Go and watch and do it set time. You don't know the ground going up.
Yeah.
Go and do it. You don't know. It's
And a good life setting. No machine that with your hands, show them natural way.
natural thing, man.
You see me I say, when you have machine, you have to still show them say, yo, and.
And we are doing it. No problem.
How you going with?
You know, so look at school people there. So boy, look at get us through. We are dealing with
Get us shoot. See for them so I go on.
mad move, man. See.
Jamaica, good life, man.
Oh, yo, you make the people them there. A big amount of the road now when them see this.
It's a mad thing, man.
I want one in your pocket.
You see me, I stew peas and with chicken foot and with chicken neck, you know, I say Jamaica style, ghetto style, you understand? Yeah, so the
Chicken
thing
foot
said,
and chicken neck.
You
And spinners
understand?
them.
Spinners and your salt beef, spice up the thing. So the thing said.
Give them a story, make them see. Let them
no,
good
sure.
life, but you know.
You see it.
Man, the coal will come by because
Yeah, cool, I'm
come
fire.
by coal. Cook our pot too, you know, you see me? Yeah, a coal will come by. I'll come by coal and a good life. Blessings. Yeah. So you don't know, say ma. Yeah.
Big up Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Jamaica, we there, you know.
I mean, look, me have flu.
Your flow. And your flow, you still look good.
Yeah.
No, mama, that's true. That's true.
Back flu, man.
So what your name, mama? What them call you by? What can you name them call you by? Eh? Oh, Miss
Me
Doreen.
have to call my grandmother name for.
Oh, that's true. I could hear, man. Miss Doreen.
Come here, little girl.
So why them say Sea View so nice?
See you. See you. We live here and everybody. Some people give bad name, but you know.
It's not like what them here.
Yes, it's right what you have to live. Yeah.
Because them things are be a zinc up fence there, you know.
That's right. And then believe that pure bad people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then believe and then realize that you're the whole of us here. And the whole of us here, we live in the fun, same your lifestyle.
We have to live, you know. We have to live. We have to hold on and live, okay?
Yeah. So how old are you, mommy? Tell them, yeah. Same thing. Yeah. Still holding up. You say you have to go flow, man. If you rest, man, rest. Put them sit down on your legs and rest.
We will lay down right now.
Yeah, lay down back.
Yeah, man, we will lay down right now.
Yeah, man, and hope you get well soon. And
Alright,
Jamaica good life, hope you get well
Yeah, man,
soon.
now you take care of yourself.
Yes,
okay?
alright. Take care.
Alright. Jamaica good life.
I that she has search for it already there. Jamaica good life. And see them a watch it down there so already. Bye. See them a watch it already. Jamaica good life. See that? She a watch good life on her phone.
Yes, I'm daughter.
Are your daughter? Oh, a cool daughter?
Yeah. I'm my youth, man. The first one that.
Are your first daughter that cool? Still only love for you still there. There I watch good life.
You get it already?
Blessings, yeah? Remember Coley, I come back come check you, you know.
Cool, man. You're welcome anytime, man.
Yeah, man.
So you come and say, Mark.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're on the road, you know.
Yeah,
Sometimes the man will walk, you know.
Yeah.
So for you say, Mark, you find.
Alright.
Anyway, you find Mark, you find Mark fine.
Alright then.
Manners and thanks, you know.
Yeah, manners and time, yeah. We get the cool. Yeah, trust.
Yes.
Alright, moment blessing. Yeah, alright. Up, my general. They are fast through. We are going there morning here.
We had some good old rice, Jamaican rice.
Cool and a Jamaica good life. In the morning, yeah. With a bag rice.
Yeah.
But a pound.
People can buy 10 pound and 20 pounds, so they just buy a pound.
Just buy a pound.
With a $20 butter.
True. And you know, so that makes something.
What do you mean, man?
A pound of rice or a pound of flour, still something.
$20 ketchup,
Something.
$20 brownie.
Something. And we're there in a sea view. You see me, we all have to survive. So you don't know, we're there look out for them to see you. We all have to survive. Tell them your name, my friend.
Mika Mackenzie.
Yeah, that's my mother.
Yeah, say for you, man.
That's my mother.
Big up my son, big up my son, big up my son.
Yes, son.
Big up my son and New Year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And big up yourself too.
I big up myself.
Introduce yourself then to the program, Jamaica Good Life. What's your name?
My name is Sandra.
Sandra.
Yeah.
So you're born and grown in Seaview, Sandra? You da move from Seaview and live up
I
to?
used to in uptown. Me not used uptown, me used to in a Seaview.
Yeah.
Ghetto as what them say.
Yeah, them say.
As what them say.
And Seaview and a ghetto?
Seaview, I don't get to again because I think people feel like a Seaview have zinc fence.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when them come and see it, them can't believe.
Them can't believe.
Yeah.
Cause even for one of the program, somebody comment and say, raw, them things Seaview does looking to see a total dumb.
Yeah.
So when them watch it, them like, oh, it's normal with people, you know, and built up place. They was
Yes,
looking
yeah,
to see.
yeah, because enough people think of, because when you tell people that they live at Seaview, them
Yeah.
So when they say they got to come and we don't have no zinc fence, no nothing. When they come and say we don't have no zinc
Yeah.
fence.
Them like, you have to come to see
Of
themselves.
course,
And I'm sure say everywhere is bad, there's good. And that is more good than bad.
I'm true. Because them say Seaview bad, but to me, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Just mismatch.
Just mismatch.
Yeah, because everywhere we are going, and not only Seaview alone.
True. Everywhere.
Everywhere we are going.
Everywhere. Even what overseas it even worse. And the other country them where bigger war go on.
Alright.
And you're saying you know crime like that. So massacre war go on out of England. How you them think there? You only have a fun at daytime. Actually they really understand how they get to nice. It's just
Wow.
full of vibes.
Me tell them say me go foreign, me no want to go foreign.
You know what I live at first?
No! You want to come back here.
Hey.
Now say if you going up.
So why them say Jamaica so nice?
Because remember saying no Jamaica go nice because remember you are foreign, you have to work.
Yeah.
Work.
Yeah.
You're there Jamaica, you work, yes, but you have nice time because you can't party.
Yeah, true, you can't party.
True, you can't party because my daughter go for there, you hear what she say?
Mm-hmm.
Miss everybody have killed to go foreign. I'm foreign. Foreign is not lie. She say foreign I know nothing. Foreign say me go up there, mommy. Nothing. Cause it's just fun. It's very nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Because them always here from the outside as a Seaview is a negative place, boy.
No,
Them
you have to
thing
just come for your Seaview. Seaview is very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're there here for experience it yourself.
I'm here from I'm 53 years old and yeah 53.
53.
So, yes, I'm there from me a little girl, so I'm here 53 now, so Seaview nice.
Seaview nice.
See how where we are going England.
And now to the world you now go.
Alright.
Yeah. It's down to the program.
See how we are
Together me gone to the world.
So we are going to picture, same way.
So tell me something now. So how school you used to go in your young days?
St. Patrick Primary and St. Anne's Secondary.
Oh, I can see you're full of vibes in your days, you know. You never used to get problem too?
Lord God, no.
No.
Yeah, I love fight too.
Oh gosh. So principal used to complain for you.
No. I don't really fight at school. I don't do the fight at school. I'm part already.
Gosh, you're done in there. We're not done.
No, man, we don't like part already.
So we're there. So you know, you used to tell me you used to play Dandy Shandy in your days too.
Everything I want. I used to run too.
I used to run too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Run from school.
From food?
From a house at school. Because see them I run.
Oh.
Secondary champ.
Big champion. I'm afraid we used to play Dandy Shandy in our days.
I didn't love it.
And run.
I didn't love it on the Shandy.
Yeah. So which point you used to work? Which point you used to work in your day? You used to work too?
Yeah, I used to work at Isaac Spring Tree.
How much part that there?
I don't have town now at King Street.
No. I must say, boy, I look like a wolf for why you used to go out there. I look like a wolf for 5 years to broke so.
Yeah, be myself now.
Yeah, be yourself now.
Yeah, be myself now. I'm not right now, I know. Be myself now.
Yeah, we have follow all them say, man, cook something in the day. We have follow them go shop. Yeah. So come back.
See you. And when you carry them here, them a different thing because them say a zinc fence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when them come, them say a different thing.
Yeah.
So it's not good for them to listen to fake news. So they must really experience it themselves. So yeah, I show them say it's not like what them think it is. The place is positive. The place.
Of course, and nice too.
And nice.
Them don't want all one room down here.
Well, them stay there. But when them go see the highlights.
Enough people say them now come live a CV and enough of them want a room down here to rent.
Of course.
I look at Pan Darwin, when Darwin it just come here. He need to get the provide the house. So he now live a CV and now Darwin there every day.
Every day.
Every day.
But them realize now.
Yeah.
So you cook a partner there.
I don't know yet. You have a story of something.
You have a story of something.
Yeah, you have a story of something.
So you have to invite good life one of these days.
Yes, in the kitchen.
I'm so where you going, you know.
Yeah.
You're on, so you're going. It's hard, you get everything?
Yeah, I'm away from my banana, just a banana.
Get
cherry for the program, man.
Cherry free.
Cherry road,
Cherry, I take picture of that chicken.
Cherry, I say with the chicken. Because she look pretty on the chicken.
But Cherry.
I forgot come back yourself.
Come back and shop.
Let's give you chicken, Cherry.
Give you chicken, Cherry. Yeah, we'll finally catch Cherry.
Cherry, I take picture of that chicken.
Cherry, I say with the chicken. Because she look pretty on the chicken.
I forgot come back yourself.
Come back and shop.
Let's give you chicken, Cherry.
Give you chicken, Cherry. Yeah.
Sir. Can I get 2 pounds of chicken back, please?
2 pounds of chicken back. 2 pounds of chicken back.
Yeah, no, it's a 2 pound naga share for the 4 of us. We make it try. You know,
You have to buy more than 2.
Yeah, that's it. Teach.
Hello.
Miss Nakisha.
Nakisha. Come see you.
What else?
What else you want to tell me? Yeah, talk
On a
about
black coffee.
Ah, Manners. So Nakisha, see you nice?
Yes, that's right. Always nice.
Always nice. Enjoy. See them big dog, yeah. Big boys in Seaview. See them big boys in Seaview.
Hi. Give me Papa.
Give me one.
Man, they had a look of Christmas again, you don't know.
Not a good life.
Man, tell you.
Go on, introduce yourself to the world and let them know.
Well, my
Tell them
name
anyway.
is Nika Mackenzie.
Oh.
I'm from the food community of Seaview
And she is from the good community of Seaview Garden.
You know, not really the Seaview, you know. Seaview,
Yeah.
you understand?
So-
Come here from nothing, now we reach somewhere. So Seaview is a good house, so thing now we could have buy something for myself. So Seaview is most a blessed, wonderful place. And nothing like that, man. Seaview a good place.
But when them sister be a built up house and all the people them place up, them can't believe. So what yeah? Them are supposed to be a zinc up.
Yeah, man. Seaview about. Seaview a good place.
Yeah. You bless up yourself, man, because you know we cook a little pot night there, we are adding.
What do you mean, man?
We are
I
fast
want to
food.
cook dumpling and chicken back.
Yeah, and chicken.
What do you mean? No, man, a chicken I want a chicken back and beef now, man. You don't know, 120 a pound for chicken back, you know.
Yeah.
Chicken back a good something, man.
Good. Go on and shop.
Are you fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I go on and shop.
Yeah, that's it.
Where buy added, where buy?
Yeah, buy 3 pound of flour.
Buy 3 pound of flour and a pack of refined cornmeal to make some good cornmeal flour in the evening.
Yeah.
Like best.
See it, yeah. I have a little bag, you know. I look yam and banana, you know. Run a good life pot, you know. How much that? 250.
Yeah, they play yourself. So,
In the hello.
who is this? Introduce yourself.
Dwayne,
Dwayne from where?
Seaview, God.
Oh, yeah, Seaview you go to.
Yeah, good life.
Good life. Where you born and grown at Seaview?
No, cool down there. Jamaica.
I represent for Jamaica Good Life. So what you do with yourself? You go school, college, work?
Work.
Oh, you work? Can I work with yourself?
My own manage my own business.
What? You never know them things that you are going?
On the side, you know.
Oh yeah, I know you play cricket. And you manage your own business. Yeah. You mean? Ambitious. And you see, you never turn to nothing wrong. Tell them why Seaview so nice.
Nice, all the good people there, man.
All you, and you are one of them.
One of them, you know.
And you are one of the good ones.
And they're good on them, you know. Enough people there for meet, you know.
Yeah, true. Enough people there for me.
Tune in, man. I got enough of them, you know.
Yeah, sure. Who's there? Oh,
Yeah,
people are them.
yeah, then this.
And even if you find a couple of them. You see me? So tell me something, you grew up in a Seaview?
Yeah, from a tender age, you know, from around 6, so.
Oh, for your 6?
Yeah.
See, so you go school from Seaview as well too?
Yeah, school from Seaview, do everything from Seaview from them time until now.
Yeah.
You know?
So what was your hobby in your little time like growing up?
Hobby was like really football still, you see it? Yeah.
Yeah, because I know you're a baller still, that's what I say.
Yeah, really like football. I don't know play for sports.
Yeah, true.
Cricket as well, you see it?
Yeah, true.
Sometimes when basketball come in, we do the little basketball same way, but we're not really talented in a basketball.
Yeah.
I
don't know. True, we don't know the system rough in here, you see me? So really your work, what you do to get by in the place here?
You don't know, as I say, usually do a little 95 first, you know.
Yeah.
Overage strike, but I think kind of slow, so you don't know, you have to focus on a different pre.
Yeah, true.
So pre for just work on a little business, you know.
Which is a little shop yourself.
A little talk shop. You know?
Yeah, something.
Yeah.
See there?
Try. Keep going, you know, because you don't know, we can't stop, you know.
Yeah,
keep moving and keep doing the right thing, you see.
Yeah. Can't stop.
Can't stop.
But at least, I want you say little snacks there, man.
Yeah, it's a snack shop, as I'm saying. Yeah.
So little things there, man, little things.
Yeah, little juice, little snacks. You get me a little sweetie them for the kids, them for little things.
Yeah. So I used to sit down and hold a drink and hold a vibe, see me every day.
Yeah.
And this a man who's normally a cook, but he must have cook yet, so a good thing I come wake him up.
Yes, you are going.
The right time.
Right.
Isn't it? Which is right.
if you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.